Hey everyone, welcome back. I promise you I am not beating a dead horse. I just wanted to do another follow-up to the video I made, which is a follow-up to my first video. I made a video about sort of custom making this MagSafe charger to fit my car, and again, a very successful video. Then a company reached out to me telling me that they have a better charger they want me to try. They sent it to me for free, so I did a live unboxing, and it turned out to be quite disastrous because it was slippery, it was too big, it just didn't fit the bill too much. But then when the company who sent me that product saw the video, obviously they were not very happy with it, but this is what they sent me. They said, thanks for taking the time to review the Halo lock charger. Unfortunately, it looks like I made a pretty big mistake and accidentally sent you an already outdated version of the product. Your critique of being too slippery is totally on point. We've long since fixed that issue. Actually, our charger now holds a phone better than Apple's charger. To some of the other points you raised, the charger is bigger, but that's to eliminate the issue that we've seen with Apple chargers getting too hot. Certainly is a trade-off, but one we thought was worth it, as a cooler charger is safer for the phone. So, this charger never gets hot, just so you know. Anyways, I'm sending you the correct version. If you're interested, I invite you to test it and see if the experience is any better. So, all right, I have this charger, the new charger, see, completely sealed up, that they sent me again. And by the way, this time I'm getting better lighting. Look at this cool flashlight that I got. Look, it's got a couple of different modes. This is super bright. It blinks. You can convert this to a little police strobe light, but I'm going to use it for little car videos. Look at this. A lot of extra light. I'm gonna link it in the description. So anyways, let's unbox it. Let's see what the new version of this Halo magnetic mount looks like. So let's open it up. So far, everything looks pretty much the same as before. We've got this awesome mount, and okay. So this now still looks the same, but what they did was they still kept the glass, but it seems like there is a rubber strip attached to it. So this is to provide extra friction. So I get it. Okay, so this is indeed a new and improved version of this mount. And if we mount it to, look at this. Not bad at all. Okay, wow. Okay. So I gotta say, I did not expect that. This is actually holding the phone very well. Let's test it with this awesome clip. And I've gotta say, the last time I did it wrong. What you do is you sort of separate it like that. Here, let's mount it in here. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and stick it in here. Then you can adjust this to rest. So let's say this is where we're gonna put it. This is where we're gonna put it. You've got some vents here as always. Where's the charging? So the charging part is here if you choose to charge it yourself. And then let's see. Okay. This actually holds the phone very well. Let's see what happens if we hook up the charging cable. We're going to hook it up to the bottom. Okay, obviously you can route the wires however you want it. And then let's stick it on here, press the ignition, and okay, it's charging. Okay, so the phone is charging, and I've got to say, yes, you can also put it on this mount that I have here. This is called a Ren mount, or Ren line mount. The only thing is, it for me, in this particular location, it wouldn't fit because this is just too big, and with the way this is angled, it would just cover the seat heaters and the AC button, which is why I'm still going to stick with mine. But I've got to say, this is not a bad alternative to those who are looking for something different. You know, the mount itself, I've got to say, is pretty solid, and I do agree with the manufacturer that this actually holds the phone better than the MagSafe. So the MagSafe holds it, but there's still friction. So obviously it doesn't move or anything. I use it all the time, but this seems like a stronger hold and maybe a stronger magnet. So it's kind of cool actually. Not a bad alternative if you're looking for something that sort of mounts to the vents, or you can also do the same conversion that I did here, and it mounts to any ball mounts. But I just wanted to say kudos in that case to this company, to ESR, for sending me this and sort of watching my video and realizing that they actually sent me the wrong product, or maybe they had an initial product that didn't work out so well and they made a very quick improvement. And I've got to say, this improvement worked out well. So again, what the improvement is, there's a little rubber strip that is glued. Is it glued on top? I don't know. I don't want to take apart this one, but it's just it just provides this much extra friction. And look, ah, phones always get stuck in here. Okay, so see, look, I'm shaking it, doesn't fall. Okay, it falls off after a while. If I put on this one, let's see. I mean, you can also shake it and it doesn't fall off. But I do have to say, this is a stronger mount. So yeah, kudos to this company that sent me this product. Now, I do not need this mount, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send it to one of you, if you want it, that is. And what I'm gonna do is, whoever leaves a comment that makes me laugh the most, let's say up until end of the week, I'll pick the winner like this. So nothing scientific. Whoever makes me laugh the most, I will send you this mount, you know, free shipping to you, whatever. Just send me your address, and we'll take it from there, because I think you'll be happy with it. But for me, I'm sticking with this one because I still prefer the slimmer look and feel, and the fact that you get that little charging circle. There's just something about it. Well, for someone looking for an alternate solution, this is not a bad thing to get. So yeah. I think we can now conclude this particular mount. Now, there are other companies that are hitting me up with offers and whatnot. If you are interested in me doing these types of videos, let me know. I can do more of them, especially now that I have this space. Because actually I do find them interesting. I am gonna do another video where I'm going to be reviewing a car jumper, but I asked them to send me a couple, so instead of me keeping them, I can give them away. So in the video that I'm gonna post when they do arrive, I'm just gonna give them away afterwards to some lucky viewers who end up watching my videos. But anyways, this was it. Thank you for watching, and I guess another winner in this video is this Awesome Motion flashlight, which I highly recommend. And it is fully USB rechargeable, so you recharge it here, and you can also charge your phone using it if you are, let's say, going camping and whatnot. It's very lightweight. It's not made out of metal, it's made out of plastic, but you know what, it is fantastic. When we go on night walks with my wife, I just carry it like a briefcase, and it works very well. And on that note, thank you very much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.